Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we have a list of top 10 anime where a popular girl falls in love with an unpopular guy. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to leave a like, and if you are new, please subscribe to our channel. So without any further delay, let's begin. Number 10. 5 centimeters per second. Takaki and Akari are childhood friends, but circumstances beyond their control tear them apart. They promise to stay in contact, and although the progression of time widens the distance between them, the chain of memories remains ever present. 5 centimeters per second is a romantic drama that focuses on the mundane and harsh reality of long distance relationships. Stuck in the past and unable to make any new memories, Takaki and Akari cling to the hope of seeing each other again. They live their everyday lives half heartedly, both hurting themselves and people around them. Number 9. Tamako Market. Tamako is the eldest daughter of a family which runs the Tamayo Mochi shop in the Usagiyama shopping district. Tamako encounters a strange talking bird named Dera who comes from a distant land searching for a wife for his country's prince. After becoming overweight from eating too much mochi, Dera ends up becoming a freeloader in Tamako's home. The series follows the everyday life of Tamako, her friends, family and neighbors, and the peculiar bird, as well as keeping track to the main course of events. Tamako Market covers the emotional lives of the characters, particularly Tamako's childhood friend Mochizo's crush on her and both of them being too shy to open up to each other. Number 8. Cardcaptor Sakura. 10-year-old Sakura lives a pretty normal life with her older brother Toya and widowed father Fujitaka. Or she did until the day she returned home from school to discover a glowing book in her father's study. After opening the book and releasing the cards within, Sakura is tasked with collecting each of these magical cards while trying to live the life of a normal 4th grader. In the monumental task of collecting all the cards, Sakura must rely on her friend and family and decide what she finds most important in life. Number 7. Momokuri. After taking 100 secret photos and observing him from afar for months, second-year high schooler Yuki Kirihara has finally mustered up the courage to ask out her first-year crush Shinya, Momo Momotsuki. Although taken by surprise, the bashful Momo accepts. However, he does not know the profoundly abnormal truth. As her friend Norika has observed, Yuki has developed some unnerving but nonetheless sincere habits, taking pictures of Momo in secret, doing extensive research into his personal life, collecting his used straws, and even going Momo watching. Though Momo remains blissfully unaware of his new girlfriend's peculiar habits, he does notice some oddities in their daily conversations. Still unsure and nervous about his first relationship, Momo finds himself regularly getting into awkward interactions due to his inexperience, but nevertheless resolves to make his new girlfriend happy. Number 6. Special A. Hikari has always been able to do things that normal people cannot. As a child, she assumed no one could beat her until she met Kei Takishima. Thinking she would win, Hikari challenged him to a match, but things didn't go as planned. She lost not once, but each time she re-challenged him. From that point on, she has sworn to beat Kei at everything, ranging from academics to athletics. To achieve her goal, Hikari enrolls in the same school as Kei. As a pair, they hold the top 2 ranking in school and are among 7 of the academy's best students in a class known as a Special A. While Hikari treats Kei as a rival, she is completely oblivious that he harbors hidden feelings for her. Together, the members of a Special A deal with competition, friendship, and just a bit of love. Number 5. Romeo x Juliet. On the floating island of New Verona, Montague and his men lead a bloody coup and murder all the members of ruling House Capulet. Only Lord Capulet's young daughter Juliet is able to escape. 14 years later, Montague rules the land with an iron fist and crushes anyone who opposes him. Juliet, now 16, fights against House Montague's oppression as the masked vigilante, the Red Whirlwind. While attending the Rose Ball hosted by the Montagues with a friend, Juliet meets Romeo, Prince Montague's son, and both of them fall deeply in love at first sight. Romeo is a kind, caring, selfless, and humble man who is opposed to his father's cruelty and tyranny and shares many ideals with Juliet. Unfortunately for them, Capulet loyalists are planning a rebellion to overthrow House Montague, while Montague is obsessed with destroying the threat of the House of Capulet permanently. as these star-crossed lovers face many challenges and adventures together, which will strengthen and deepen their true unwavering romantic love even further. An ancient secret hidden deep with Neo Verona is slowly revealed. Number 4. H2O Footprints in the Sand. Takuma is a blind young male high school student, though the cause for his blindness is undetermined. In order to heal his medical condition, he is sent to live in a village with his uncle. There he meets several girls, three of which stand out more than any of the others. They are Hayumi, Hinata, and Otoha. Otoha temporarily heals his blindness, and Takumi uses his sight to help others. He finds out that for some reason Hayami is hated in the village, and he tries his best to help her out. Meanwhile, many sad secrets unfold in the village. Number 3. Canon. As a young child, Yuichi had often visited his cousin in the city. However, something drastic happened to keep him away from 7 long years. Now, Yuichi returns. His memories of those days are simply gone. Settling into the wintry town, Yuichi comes across several young girls, all of whom are connected to his past. As he befriends them and continues to interact with them, the long-forgotten memories from his childhood begin to resurface. Number 2. Canvas 2 Rainbow-Colored Sketch. Kamikura Hiroki is an art student at the local school Nadeshiko Academy, whom intends to be an art teacher in the future. He is also the advisor to the high school arts society where his cousin Huzun Ellis attends. While Ellis is a painter like Hiroki, Hiroki seems to have given up on his dreams and no longer paints. There appears to be some mysterious trauma in the both of their past which may have changed them. Meanwhile, the high school hires a new PE teacher, Kikyo Kiri, on the first day. She bumps into Hiroki and is stunned. Here is the boy she confessed to, and he refused her. Number 1. Suzuka. Yamato travels to Tokyo alone to study in one of the high schools located within the area. He lives in with his aunt who operates a public bath solely for ladies in the local district and begins his normal high school life. One day, he chances upon a girl in school and is immediately mesmerized by her beauty. He is shocked when he realizes later that the girl Suzuka is actually living next door to him. From then on, Yamato's ordinary life begins to change little by little. That's it for today's video. I hope you like it and please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe the channel. If you are new, remember to hit the notification button for any more upcoming videos.